Welcome to Records from the Fridge Part 3. Oh, nice! Sometimes Forever by Soccer Mummy.
Oh, great! Germans love soccer.
No, it's not a football record.
Again? First you talked about King Gizzard and the Lizard Wizard without any wizard. Then you talked about candy. There was no candy. No sweets. It was only screaming. Now no soccer.
Why are you even on a football pitch?
I'm done.
And why am I in my living room? Sometimes Forever by Soccer Mummy is definitely a dream pop record, yet it feels different from what other artists in this genre do. Yes, there is this way of singing where it's more about breathing than actually singing.
The album is full of the warmest melodies and VHS-like Halloween dreams of someone else's past. The way Soccer Mummy balances pop melodies and surprising changes, dissonance, darkness, is without competition this year. And these two songs are dream goals. Dream goals. Boom.
It starts rather minimal until the guitars take over and the synths deliver a one-chord freeze until everything turns into blaring shoegaze at the end. Cathartic.
Unholy affliction.
I like the stop and go with broken synthesizers and disturbing sounds. Transitions are sometimes very subtle, sometimes in your face. It's probably the most unusual Soccer Mummy song I've heard to date.
Don't Ask Me is my favorite song of the record. It has very straightforward guitars and these twin guitars. Very badly mixed guitars.
It's shoegaze. Shoegaze. Shoegaze!
So this album goes well with Phoebe Bridgers' Punisher and A Romantic Date with a skeleton. So I'm giving it a 9.4 rating.
Those are very big shoes. You cannot play soccer with this. Look at this. She won't score a goal.
Stay tuned for the next episode of Records from the